Hey guys, welcome back to Yada Crypto, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about a nodes project that I just got into yesterday called Cronodes. Now maybe this is something you've heard of, maybe you're already invested in this. One of the reasons I got started investing in this is because I am a fan of the Crow coin by crypto.com, and I have a little bit of it, so I figured why don't I just take some of that, invest it in Cronodes. And so far this project has only been out for about a month. I think it came out around January the 12th. The way this works is you exchange your Crow coins for Cronodes coins, and it takes 20 of those coins to create a node. And for every node you create, you earn one Cronode a day, and you can have up to 100 total nodes. So let me scroll down through here. It says Cronodes is an investment vehicle you can trust with your money. Here's how it works. You're going to buy the Cronode Token, which is CRN, but you're going to have to swap for it on this site here called Cronodes Swap. So let me go ahead and open that up. This is the site you're going to swap your Crow to your CRN. So you're just going to connect your wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask. You can also use the Crypti DeFi wallet if you have that. If you're using the Crypto.com app, then there's a chance you may also have their wallet. And if you do, if that's where you're storing your Crow at, you can just link it to that and use it. Otherwise, you're going to have to transfer your CRO coins to your MetaMask. So if you connect your MetaMask, and after it connects, you can see here I have 765 Crow in my MetaMask. And then you're going to come down here and swap to the CRN coin right here. And it takes 20 CRN to make one node. So if you want to create one node, as of right now, it's going to take a little over 1,200 Crow to do that. And this will allow you to create one node, which will let you earn one CRN per day. Now right now the price of CRN is $30.33, and you can see from since it started off just a little bit slow here, and then it just took off. And right now the whole crypto space is kind of just steady right now. It's not really doing much, so that's kind of where we're at with this too. But you can see this trend going up here, and obviously there's no way for anybody to predict how this is going to come out, but with this trend and the way it's going, I'm expecting, especially once Bitcoin starts taking off again and getting more momentum, this is going to continue to go up. So we're actually at the beginning of this Cronodes project. Now, unfortunately, I found out about this project back here in this area when it was around $9–10 a piece. I just didn't get involved with it. I was involved with some other projects at that time, and I just kept delaying it and delaying it. And unfortunately, I just got in last night when it was right around $29 or so. So if we come back here to Cronodes, what you're going to do is you're going to buy your CRN tokens on the Cronodes Swap, and then you're going to enter their app and you're going to buy a node. You earn one CRN every day, and that's it. You just let it go. When you put your Crow into this to create a node, you're losing that Crow. It's basically being converted into a node, and that node is going to give you one CRN a day. So let's say the price of a CRN token is $30.33. You multiply that by, say, 30 days, that's $909 a month you're going to be earning. Now, if you multiply that by 12, that's almost $11,000 a year. So at this price, at $30.33, just by buying one Cronode, this is what you could be earning per year if this is sustainable, if it lasts and continues. Now, one reason I did join this is because I'm a fan of Crow, and I believe it's got huge potential. You know, with the Super Bowl coming up and everything, I think it's going to get a pretty good boost, and I think it's just going to become so widely known that this project is going to follow it. So that's just my opinion though. Let me jump in here and enter the app and I'll show you. So this is the app, and right now, and it takes a minute for it to load, but you can see here I currently have, I created 6 CRN nodes, and there's a total of over 36,000 already created. So there's a lot of people using this. And then I just created mine last night. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically what you're going to do is give it a name, and then as long as you have your CRN in your MetaMask, you just give it a name, you click buy, you're going to approve it, and then it's going to add it down here. Now there is, I guess, a little bit of a bug with the Cronodes app, and so after you add these, what you have to do or what they tell you should do in the Cronodes Discord is that it says, remember to claim your rewards immediately after creating your node. You will see a bug saying 94 CRN unclaimed. You need to claim in order for your rewards to start. So this is just a bug. I never got that error, but I went ahead and hit claimed all after I created my nodes just to make sure that my nodes would start accumulating. So every day now I'm going to be earning 6 CRN. So if we figure that up, so 1 CRN is about $30. We'll times that by 6. That's $180 a day, or that turns out to be $1,200 a week, or that could be $5,000 a month, or it could end up being $60,000 a year. So if this is sustainable, which I'm really hoping it is, this is going to be a huge income stream for me for crypto. So what you can do to buy this is, first you have to have CRO, but once you buy that, then you're going to transfer the Crow out of your Crypto.com app into your MetaMask. So the way to do that is you have to go to your MetaMask, and then under the network, you're going to click that. You're going to click on Add Network. This is what you're going to see. And I'll put this link under the video too, where you can check it out. But this here is the information you're going to need from this page. You have the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. So if we go here, you can see you're going to name it Cronos, and then you're going to add, copy and paste the RPC URL, the chain ID, currency symbol, and that in here, and you're going to click Save. That's going to add the Cronos network into your MetaMask. And then once you add that, it's going to show up here. So on your drop downs, you're going to see where you have Cronos or whatever you named it. And so you want to make sure you're on that. And then you can add the CRN token to your Cronos network. So to do that, you just click on your assets. And then at the bottom, you'll see where it says import tokens. You're going to click that. And you're going to enter the token address for CRN. And you can find that on CoinGecko. So if you're here, you're just going to go up to search. You're going to type in CRN. Click on it. You're going to see here Cronodes 3067, it's up 6%. Right here, you're going to see the contract address. You just want to copy that. You're going to go back to your MetaMask, scroll down, click import tokens, and you're going to paste that right here in the token address. Now mine's not going to show up because I've already got it added into my wallet, but if you don't already have it added, it's going to automatically fill out the token symbol and this, and then you click add to your wallet, and then that coin will be visible right here within your wallet. And then CRO should automatically come up in your wallet. And then once you have that done, all you have to do is go here to the app.cronoswap.org and then click on swap right here. And then you want to connect your MetaMask so where it can see how much Crow you have in there. And then you're going to come down here, make sure Crow selected, and make sure you swap to CRN. By default, I think it's on this here, which is not the same thing, so don't buy this. Click the drop down, click on CRN, put in 20 because 20 is what it takes to buy one node. And then right here, you're going to approve it. It only takes about a minute. It'll be in your MetaMask. When it's in there, you're going to come back here. You're going to give it a name. For example, if I do another one, I'll do Cronode 7, click buy, and it's automatically going to be able to tell that I have those CRNs in my wallet because I'm connected here. And it's going to buy that Cronode. I'm going to give it a few minutes, refresh the page, and then it'll show up here. So this is how you can get started with a Cronode. And guys, it's only going to take, I think, around 20 days to get your investment back if you buy one Cronode, which I don't know any other project that does that. And so the more you have, the less days it takes to get back your investment that you had. So that's it for Cronodes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to try to create more videos like this where I do full tutorials and try to explain these types of projects that I'm getting involved with. Yes, they are risky. As with any type of a crypto project, keep that in mind when you're investing, to not go out and just throw all your money into something, but instead do your own research. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.